In this Adobe Premiere tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up and slow down your footage. This will just be very basic. There is more advanced ways to do this, and you can get different effects through more advanced ways of doing it. But this video will just be focused on the basic version for now. So, all you need to do, get your footage and drop it into your project, as so. And you want to just then right-click on your video, and you want to go to speed and duration. Now on here, this will change your entire video speed if you want to do it this way. And this will also change the pitch of your audio. The audio will get all messed up when you do speed up and slow down. It will either go slow and sound really deep and slow down, or it will go very distorted in a different way, which makes it sound really metallic. This is something that just happens. So generally when you're slowing down or speeding up footage, unless you're looking for the sped up voice effect or the slow down voice effect or sound effect, then you usually don't want to use the audio from that video clip. So just to give you a couple examples here, I'm going to split the video in a couple of spots. So I'll split it there, and I'll split it there. You can bring up the razor tool here by pressing C to quickly bring it up, and then you just click on when you want to cut it. So I'm going to do each of these as a different thing. So this one's going to be normal speed, this section. Let me zoom in here. You can zoom into your video, by the way, by either clicking on in between your tracks so you can stretch it out, or you can highlight, just have your mouse sort of in this area in general, in the video track in general, and then scroll up and down, and you can zoom in to give you a sort of a bit more detail on your audio or your video tracks. You can also zoom in, pulling this thing around here. So as I said, this part's going to be normal speed, this part is going to be really slow, and then this one's going to be fast forwarded, I think. This will always work better the higher frame rate your footage is. This footage right now is 30 FPS, so it's 30 frames per second. Which means when it's slowed down, it won't look as smooth, it'll look a bit jagged, but it will still give you a slowdown effect. So, let's go in here, speed and duration, and let's put this to 50% speed, which will make it half its speed normally. This will make it so it is slowed down to exactly half the frame rate it should be. This is the best way to get that slow motion that you're looking for. You should also click this box if you've got multiple clips in your timeline here. This will then keep everything all together and move things along as it needs to. As you can see, this has just been stretched out to a few more seconds, and this has just kept all your projects still in line. So, just to show an example, this is now at 50% speed, and this is at 100. So if we play the footage from here, you'll see it's full speed, but suddenly it's half speed now. It doesn't look as smooth with a 30 frames per second video, but it still shows you the effect is there. So if you have anything else that's higher frame rate, it will look a lot smoother. So with this one, we're just going to do the same thing, except for, let's make it 200% speed. Now as you can see, it's made the clip smaller, but that's fine. We're going to go ahead and extend that a little bit, just to show off the effect a little bit more. So when it goes off of this slow motion part, it will go to this fast forwarded part. 200% speed makes it so it is double speed. And of course, the audio that's tied to it will go super squeaky and high pitched, usually. So we're going from slow motion here to sped up. And that's how you do a very basic fast forward or slow motion.